This is step number 2, reading a step graph. A zoo charges entry based on age is depicted by the step function shown below. So there are costs here, and those costs depend on how old you are. Brian is 43, so I'm just going to record this information as I go. He brings his wife Ronnie, who's 39. They got a 15-year-old son, Jagger. Um, 12-year-old daughter, Charlie. And they got a 2-year-old son, Keith. And a granddad, whose name is Bill, and he's 65. How much is the total entry for the Stone family? So these are all the Stones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them are named here. And of course, they're all going to pay different amounts because they all have different ages, and we have to get those ages off of the graph. So we'll start with Brian. Brian's 43. So 43, it looks like these are going up by 5s, right? Yeah, that'd be 50, that'd be 45. So 43 is somewhere around here. When you come up, you can see his cost is going to be over here on this right there. And what's that? Well, this looks like 10, 20. So we're going up by 5, 10, 15, 20. Yeah, these are 5s. So this would be 25. Right, that would be 10, that would be 15. A little work to do on our scales there. So, Brian, we said, was 43. Boom, Brian pays 25 bucks. Ronnie, who's 39, is going to pay the same amount. Right. Easy to find when they're in the middle of a line like that. Jagger's 15. Now here comes a tricky one. 15 is right here. 15 for the X. It's going 5, 10, 15. And when you go up that line at 15, you're going to be tempted to say Jagger should pay 10 bucks. But no. The second you hit 15, right, you come up to the solid dot. Remember, this is the one that counts. This one does not. So, Jagger also has to pay 25 bucks. And I guarantee you one of these wrong answers has you having Jagger paying only 10. Charlie's 12 years old. That's pretty straightforward. 12 years old, right, is going to be right around here. She's going to pay 10 bucks. Keith is 2. Well, between 0 and 5, 2-year-olds pay nothing. And then Bill. Bill's 65. So 65 is right here. And you can see that's the one that counts. That's the one that doesn't count. Bill gets a discount. He only pays 20 bucks. So now all we have to do, once we know what they all pay, 25 plus 25. Whoops, why did I write 39 there? Sorry about that. Ronnie is 39. She pays 25. Plus 25 again. So I'm at 75 so far. Plus 10 for Charlie. 0 for Keith. Plus 20 for Grandpappy Bill. And we get 105. And there's our right answer.